Hello, Boo Sugars. I'm Amber. Welcome to my channel. Today, I have a product review for you guys. We're going to be reviewing skincare today, not necessarily makeup. You know, I love makeup, but the first step to beautiful makeup is good skin. So today, I am going to be reviewing the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. That's a long name, honey. Just say Papaya Cleansing Balm and be through with it. But anywho, this retails for $32. Yes, 32 of those things. This can be found on glowrecipe.com, sephora.com, or in stores at Sephora, or anywhere that sells Glow Recipe products. Now, on first impressions of the product, when I did an unboxing like a couple weeks ago, y'all make sure y'all check that out. The packaging is very cute and very sturdy. It has some weight to it. It's a plastic container, but it also almost feels like acrylic. It's so thick. I almost dropped this on my toe. I just had visions of myself never being able to walk again, honey, because it is heavy. But I can say this product smells amazing. It has more of a melon scent than it does a papaya scent, but it's very lightly scented, so it doesn't have a strong fragrance. And even if you're not a huge fan of like fruity scents, you may be able to tolerate this. And being the fact I am like a skincare junkie, I do understand that not all skincare products are created the same, and that also includes cleansing balms. What I found with this one, it melts a lot easier. Now it is thicker and it doesn't just come out as easy as other cleansing balms do, but it melts in the skin so easily. And it doesn't have that heavy, smothering, overly greasy feeling that a lot of cleansing balms have. And the second thing that I do like about this cleansing balm is very easy to wash off the face. You can use a towel or you can just use warm water. Well, versus other cleansing balms, you kind of have to do a lot of washing to get it off your face, and you just feel like you have been like waterboarded with Vaseline, and that's just not what this balm does. So I really do like her. Now, when it comes to the price, I do find that the price is a little bit on the expensive side. For $32, you get 3.3 fluid ounces, well, versus something like the number 7 cleansing balm. For $10, you get like 4, I think it's like 4 fluid, no, 4.2 fluid ounces. Now the texture is a lot different with the number 7. The number 7, which, excuse me, I've like used so much of it. As you can see, this one is a little more on the greasy side, and it's very, very creamy. And being the fact that it's so creamy, it's so easy to use so much of it. And you see, it's a lot thicker than this one. But for the price, it gets the job done, and it's a really good product. When it comes to the texture, I do prefer this one a lot more because I don't like heavy feeling anything on my face. Not heavy foundation, not heavy powder, and definitely not a heavy cleansing balm or a heavy moisturizer. So I do recommend this for someone who likes a cleansing balm but something a little more lightweight. Now, when I first tried this product, I did not have any irritations, no redness, no bumps, no scarring, no swelling. So being the fact this is a product that does have fragrance in it, it was very gentle on the skin, and so far I have seen tremendous results. This balm also works extremely well with Clinique, Kiehl's, Chorus Beauty, and my Bobbi Brown cleanser. And of course, it does work with Glow Recipe. And that was one of my initial concerns, because a lot of these brands be trying to punk you and bully you into buying the whole skincare system when you don't really need the whole skincare system. So with this particular balm, you don't have to go out and buy Glow Recipe everything if you don't want to. You can just use the balm and not worry about skin irritations or anything counteracting with different products and different brands. So that is something I definitely do like about this product. Now, I would also say with this cleansing balm, you can use it on dry skin as well as wet skin. I'm not a fan of sleeping in makeup. Like, it's just not what we do over here. But let's say if you have a day where you just want to Just wipe your makeup off, or you're like in the car, because I do work in the cosmetic industry as well. And some days I don't even want to make it home with my makeup on. I just want to take it off right away. You can just scoop some of this out on a little towel and just wipe it off, and it takes everything off. It doesn't leave any sticky or any greasy residue. It just removes the makeup gently without disturbing and irritating the skin. So yes, that was short and sweet. I hope this was a good and helpful review for you. Have you tried this cleansing balm? And if not, let me know if you're thinking about trying it, or what other cleansing balms have you tried on the market. I would love to hear about them. My first passion is skincare. I put skincare before makeup any day. Healthy skin is the foundation to beautiful makeup. Fight me if you don't agree with me. We can throw hands in the parking lot. We can throw words in the comment section. I said what I said. Okay? But yes, let me know what cleansing balms you tried and if my review was helpful. Now, love you, boo sugars. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because we would love to have you on this channel. Don't play with it. Dang.